In this video, I'll show you how to send money from the USA to India through Remitly step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Remitly probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To send money from the USA to India using a US-based Remitly account, first make sure your account is set up and ready. Open the Remitly app and at the top of the screen, click on Exchange Rate. Select the country you want to send money to, in this case, India. Next, tap on Send at the bottom of the screen to start the transfer process. If you're sending to a new recipient, select New Contact and enter the recipient's details. Then, enter the amount of USD you want to send and choose your payment method, such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card. After that, tap Continue. Now, select how the recipient will receive the money. In India, you can choose UPI, bank deposit, or cash pickup. If you have their bank account details, select bank deposit and fill in the account number and any other required information. Once all the details are entered, review the transfer and confirm it. Remitly will process your transaction and notify you when it's complete. Most transfers are fast, depending on the payment method and delivery option. Remitly is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Remitly offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.